Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Man-O-War. First, you and your opponent will choose your fleets, usually around 1,000 points each. Your fleet will include various ships, a wizard, and special Man-O-War cards. Ships are categorized as powerful Men-O-War, independent vessels, or squadrons of 3 ships of the line. Next, you'll set up the battlefield by placing terrain pieces. A dice roll then determines the initial wind direction, which is crucial for sailing. Finally, assign crew counters to each ship and designate one as your fleet's flagship. Once setup is complete, the game proceeds with alternating turns where players move their ships. Sailing vessels are heavily influenced by the wind, so strategic positioning is key to maximizing their movement. Ships propelled by oars, however, are not affected by the wind and can execute sharp turns, up to 180 degrees, in place. If you want to inflict immediate damage, your ships can attempt to ram an enemy by moving at least 3 inches directly into them. After moving, your ships can engage the enemy in several ways. They can unleash cannon fire, initiate a boarding action, or use special attacks. Damage is meticulously tracked on individual ship templates, noting hits to the hull, crew losses, and any fires that break out. Boarding actions are resolved with dice rolls, and the victor removes enemy crew counters. Be careful when navigating, as ships can run aground on terrain, suffering damage, and potentially becoming immobilized for a turn or more. Victory in Man-O-War is usually achieved by completely destroying your opponent's fleet or by fulfilling specific objectives outlined in a chosen scenario. Sinking an enemy's flagship or successfully capturing their vessels are significant steps towards winning. Captured ships can even earn you battle honors, potentially doubling their strategic value. Employing powerful magic spells and summoning fearsome sea monsters can also turn the tide of battle, proving essential for achieving naval dominance and claiming victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.